Okay.
See what we got here. We read it at 140 last time. It's 4 o'clock this time. 4 p.m. Pressure the last time was 81. And we're looking at 88 to 89. Say 88 though. Okay. Surface temp of the stand 106. The unit 109. 114. Okay. 109 is 3 degrees up. 114 is 3 degrees up. It's only 1 degree Fahrenheit on the surface temp. They went up for the stand. 9 inch. 115. 115. 115. All three of those 115. They're all up 3 degrees. Now the slow process, we're working with a small amount of material. But the slow process, you can utilize your water longer. Turn it to steam, if you run it too fast, you'll turn it to steam, you just get condensation in your tank, run out of fluid, and you can't do anything until you recharge it again. So don't waste your fluid, run it slow. Now, we still need to get this thing flowing up to about the 190 mark at its peak. And since we didn't see a temperature gain, in fact we saw major temperature loss when we reused the same fluid without charging it up even higher than what we did. So, this next run we're going to do it with the same material again. And but I'm going to let this one run out. But I'm going to clean out the tank. Let the water stand for a while so that all the heavy particles fall out of it. And we'll take that solution and pour it back into the tank as we did with the regular water. But when I put I'm going to put my metal in the tank to start off with, because the top will be off of it. Well, actually, we don't need to take the top off. That's right. We can pour it out this slot without ever opening this part. And if we use small parts of aluminum, we can feed it through here ahead of time. We can pour in, last time we used total of 6 ounces of lye on the first batch. What I want to do is at least put 4 ounces on and see what happens. As long as we don't get temperatures over 190, we're okay. At least I think so. That's my estimate right now. Okay, let's pause this. Okay. I want to make a point with this small unit. Okay. Now you've seen how it can run fairly rapidly and very, very slowly. And one of the things I want to point out, you can use that to your advantage. Number one, when it starts running fast, you start to get this generating rather quickly. If you have a large tank where you don't have to worry about running out of room, you can just keep feeding this sucker. You keep putting in more metal, maybe a little more lye, speed it up if the temperature's low. Right now I'm working with 10-gallon tanks. I'm afraid I'm going to fill them up. I got a 60-gallon tank coming. When we get that one, and I get it all set up, ready to go, we're going to do a continuous feed and try to build up the temp in here to 190 degrees. by just adding a little bit more lye, a little bit more metal, a little bit more water. We're going to start off with a half a gallon. Okay, we're going to have more airspace to fill up for one. That will be a good test of the continuous feed. But the key is, once you get to a point where you want to slow down, then all you do is stop feeding it, let it build up until it's doing this 3 pounds per every 30 minutes, 40 minutes or something like that. Then you can hook it up to an empty 11-gallon tank. You don't have to worry about it building up too high in here or too high in there. And you can transfer that gas to a larger tank, as long as a larger tank is smaller than an air compressor that you have. You can use an air compressor to pump gas from a smaller tank to a larger tank if it's rated for the same PSI. Now, a larger tank is only at 60, and you got a tank at 125. You run it through that compressor. Well, just discharge what you can. Then you pump the rest of it in. It won't. Even a small air compressor, 1.5 horsepower, can pump that up to 125 psi. Okay, but you got to watch the gauge when you pump, because you don't want to run out of gas. When it gets, down to about 5 pounds, turn it off. Leave that little 5 pounds in there. Anyway, that's what I want to talk about. It's 4:49 and it's 90 psi. I ain't gonna bother testing it because I'm gonna go do something else right now. I just wanted to pass that idea off to you on how this little guy can feed a very big tank. Okay? So we'll be doing that test in the future. I should get the tank in Monday. It's Saturday right now. Okay, let's pause it. Okay. Well, you got 90 psi, it's 5:38 for an hour and a half. Okay, let's see what we got for readings. Stand temp, 97. That's down 12. Okay, let's see. $110, that's down 4 degrees. $111, down 4 degrees. $111, all of them down 4 degrees except for the top. Sorry, right there at the top, it's 104, down 5 degrees. Okay. May get a treat tonight when I get my, I want to adapt a gas burning heater over to the hydrogen and see how she works. Alright. Pause this.